HOLX Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Hologic stock, it's sitting a good 63 bucks. And honestly, I would have to look at it from a broader picture. Because, you know, like from doing 40,000 videos over 5 years, it's not like this is like something new or very unusual. No, I've seen this happen tens of thousands of times, and I'm not even exaggerating because I've been in market for 5 years and have documented 40,000 videos. Ultimately, how all this is going to look like for me, even from a daily chart, is yes, there's a fair break up, but one break doesn't mean that much. Which, honestly, I'm obviously need to see a lot more, like a lot more. I'm saying price pulls down, gives me some sort of a double break, then yeah, sure, I'm gonna look to take it further up, but like randomly buying or anything, it's not gonna be happening. So I'm gonna continue to keep you updated. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free email.